All right, today we're going to be looking at the Somic MS500 noise canceling headphones. Just going in and out of these things is like coming out of underwater. Really good job with the noise canceling on these. Another thing that I really liked about them is this. A lot of times when I'm bringing noise canceling headphones, I'm out in public. So being able to fold them up, I could tuck these into a backpack or just about anywhere so that I don't have to have them on my head all the time. But if I did, I really wouldn't mind it. These things are super comfy. The headphones themselves, like really nice and light, and the noise canceling has 3 different modes. So you can go in like full noise cancel and block off everything, or you can go all the way down to transparency mode, which is pretty much going to allow you to hear things going on if you need to be aware of your surroundings. And so for a brand that this is my first experience with them, they're delivering, right? For me, these 40 millimeter drivers are pushing enough sound where I can crank right from my mobile phone. If you have a smartphone, you're able to connect via Bluetooth, and it's giving me plenty enough volume, especially with the noise canceling feature turned on. Another thing that I liked is that they send you 2 different cables. You've got a USB-A to C for charging. You don't have to charge them very much. The battery, we've been listening to music all day. We haven't even hit the 50% mark yet. And the cables over here, you get two ring 3.5 millimeter cables. So if you have something older that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can still connect that to these headphones. So you're able to listen to something like an older device. The only drawback with if you're using the 3.5 millimeter cable, the microphone doesn't work or anything. It just works pretty much like a pair of speakers. But nice to have in a world where everything's becoming more and more modern. These deliver some great, and actually before I'm done with this video, let's take just a quick look and see how the sound quality is, because you can also take phone calls, and you know that happens sometimes when you're in the middle of a playlist and someone calls you. So without having to do anything, you could just answer a call right from your MS500. And it should sound pretty good when you're on the other end of the phone. If I was talking to my good friend Billy and I was asking him where he wanted to go to lunch maybe after I got done listening to my playlist, I think he'd be able to understand. And I hope that you find these just as these come in a lot of value in these. So I'm really happy to keep them on. I'm going to keep listening to them. You enjoy your day.